How to fix Bigo Live login problem. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Bigo Live login problem. Now, to fix the Bigo Live login issue, you could try common troubleshooting steps, like first of all checking your internet connection, as it could be due to the poor connectivity. So you want to go to settings on your device and check for network and internet. Go to internet section, and as soon as you click on an internet section here, you could just go ahead and restart your connection. That should be able to help as well. If not, you could also verify your login details. In some cases it could be due to the incorrect credential as well, so you want to make sure to check your password, your email address, your username, all that is correct. And if that is also not the case, you could also try cleaning your cache. For that, you want to go to settings on your device and then click on the app section and go to Bigo Live, locate storage and cache, click on clear cache. That should be able to help as well. If nothing seems to be working out, you could also try updating the app by going to your respective app store, or else you could also restart your device at the same time. That can also be able to help. So this way you should be able to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.